Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video on the channel. My name is Michelle. I've been trying this intro for like a few minutes and I'm just like sick and tired of it. Storage is killing me. But anyway, I am back from the north. I am in Karasburg right now and we are going to do some shopping. Grocery shopping because I haven't gotten food and I've been here for like a day. So like I need to go buy some food. What else? Update on the north. I hated it there. I hated it. I'm not gonna lie. The only thing I liked is that I got to do my nails and like my maintenance for 150 and I was like, girl, what do you mean? But yeah, that's the only thing I enjoyed. Besides that, I am done with my logbook. I am done. Thank God. But yeah, I hope you guys like and subscribe and whatsoever and like Bahanjaman, honestly, let's just go to the grocery haul and like, yeah, I'm meeting up with my friend there at the shops. So like, yeah. You on my vlog? I want to try this one.
It was all a dream, just a new girl on the scene. Got your face on magazines. How I feel is killing me. Only you can't see. Plenty fire in my eyes, just the way I like to be. Will I stay? Will I leave?
What?
I can't figure out myself when I'm distant in my world.
Hi guys, I am actually back from the whole shopping shenanigans and I actually I'm back. I went to Pep and took out my lay-by. I had a lay-by of like stuff that I needed for my place Nyana, and like I also went to spa and bought like meat stuff and whatnots, and also ShopRite. So like yeah, I'm going to show you guys a small haul of the things that I got from there. This is a chicken, what. Some more chicken here, but I got these plastics. These plastics, they are so small. I don't even know what I was thinking. I was trying to be cheap, but I need to finish them. So I'll just manga this together and take them to the fridge. I have some fish also in the fridge, and I need to buy some stew still. So yeah. Hi guys, welcome to my, I don't know where I should go. Let me put you guys over here. Hi guys, welcome to another clip in the vlog. Today is the 11th of August. My friend and I are going on a little lunch date, nyana type of vibe, and we are all dolled up. Later on we're going to take pictures like when the sun sets a bit, so we are going there now. It's just like a little cafe type of vibe. I don't know where we are also dressed up, but yeah, we are going. Yeah, see you guys there. Should we do an outfit check? This is my friend Hope. Hi guys, we actually made it to the restaurant. We are here, honey. We are already ordered and whatsoever. There's like literally just 2 people here, but yeah, we are here enjoying. We're not enjoying, but yeah, we are here. Yeah, what else? We ordered two Greek salads and my friend ordered a milkshake. Hope ordered a milkshake because Hope doesn't want to grow up. She's just always drinking milkshake. Like, she's not a big person. But yeah, we are here. There are actually only 2 people here, so yeah.
Tell me why you're crying, I'm feeling big deal.
I don't like all this ice, you know.
When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my yard,
Chicken is mine.
uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened.
Thank you.
If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Got me.
I don't know how to make an outro, so I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you for liking the video if you have, or in advance. I don't know why yeah, thank you guys for watching the video, and don't ask me why do I look the same from the previous vlog, like same hairstyle, same outfit, you know. So yeah guys, see you guys in the next vlog, honey. Bye.